if you want to take it slow. Oh, hop up on my jet and roll to Tokyo. I want to know if you want to take it slow. Oh, hop up on my jet and roll to Tokyo.
Pretty sick though. What's up everybody, it's your boy Kenji here and welcome to my YouTube video. So in this video I'm going to talk about how to synchronize any music beat on Premiere Pro. So as you guys saw a while ago, I have collaborated with the Cuts, and yeah, actually I've created a short 50-second video for them. So if you guys are looking for a minimalistic type tee which has a custom bottom cuts, the link is down below, and I am really impressed with their t-shirts. And thank you to the Cuts team to make this happen. Alright, let's jump into the video. Alright, we are inside Premiere Pro. So I picked a track from Artlist which is called Tokyo. And it really fits the video because I live in Tokyo. So what I've did here in this music, it only has 4 counts. So let's count together. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And there comes the beat. So which means I need to extend this 4 counts to make a longer starting. So what I've did here is I have duplicate the first 4 count of the music and added it to the back. So as the beat drops, I've actually changed my clothes. This is just only a hard transition. I've only just placed a tripod and just a camera, and to make sure the camera doesn't move in my position, and add some few actions to it to make it smoothly. So the next thing that I've done here is that each beat has its own marker. So as you guys see here in the top section, there's a bunch of markers over here. Well, actually if you zoom in, there's like 1 frame delay over here, because what I've did is I've added a thumbnail on the first frame of this video. So what made this is that every marker that I've made here is been delayed 1 frame after. Well, you guys know what I'm actually talking about, but it makes sense. So this music actually has a fast beat. This is the reason why I cut each scene with a hard transition with it. So it actually makes a beat flow on this entire video. So on each marker that I made, I actually know where to cut my footage. So it's actually easy to track on when the next beat is gonna come. And I will show you guys on how to make the markers in Premiere Pro. Right, let's make a new sequence with this one. So this is a new sequence and I'll try to add a new marker with it. I'm using Windows right now, and the shortcut key for markers is M. And the thing for making the marker show inside entirely in Premiere Pro is to not press the footage you are actually editing right now. So if you accidentally press the footage and play the video and add markers to it, the marker is gonna actually add on to the footage. It's not gonna be in the entire sequence on it. So let me show you guys how it actually works. So when I start playing the videos and add markers on it, which the footage is selected, it's gonna happen like this. So as you guys see, the marker is down below on the footage. We don't want to have that. So what you guys should actually do is that press outside the box, like there's nothing on the sequence. Be sure that nothing is selected. And from here, this is the start when you press M. Right, let's add some footage on this demo sequence. I've actually have a bunch of videos on the left side over here. Let's try to make a rough transition cut on each mark that I have made. Alright, I've actually added a bunch of clips on the markers that I have made here. So the beat starts from here, and I have just tried some few markers over here if it actually is working. And let's try to play this video. Alright, that makes sense, and add a marker on each beat on any music. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. That's all for today, and if you guys love this content, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And also check out the cuts theme, it's also down below in the description. And if you guys want to check out the Instagram version of the cuts video, the link is also down below. Alright, I'll see you in the next video, and Kenji is signing out. Peace!